Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel name is Awais Kayani. मेरे YouTube चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि मेरे चैनल पर आने वाली हर नई से नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। तो चलो एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं अपनी नई वीडियो की जानिब। आज मैं आपको हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन 30 रियल वेज टू अर्न मनी ऑनलाइन के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। आर्टिकल बाय निकोल मैर्टाइन्स फेरियर 10 अगस्त 2023। From online service to envelope stuffing, there are lots of popular get-rich-quick money-making ideas. Do they work? Not really. Could you make some money? Possibly. However, the reality is that there are genuine ways to make money online. Digital nomads are capitalizing on freelancing opportunities, while marketers are optimizing digital campaigns. Entrepreneurs are building their empires from their living rooms, armed with just a laptop and study internet. Let's explore some of these legitimate avenues to earn online. Start selling online now with Shopify. Start your free trial. How to make money online 30 real ways. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier handles the storage, packing, and shipping on your behalf. You can dropship through your own e-commerce store. Just install a dropshipping app and you will get access to dozens of suppliers across various product categories. Some dropshipping apps allow you to hand pick your product images, edit item descriptions, and give your business a personalized vibe so people will love shopping with you. Click here to launch your online business with Shopify. What's the best way to make money dropshipping? Most entrepreneurs focus on a few marketing strategies: running Facebook ads, having influencers promote their products, sending direct messages DMS to potential customers on social media. Ready to start a dropshipping business? Shopify is the platform most online entrepreneurs use to sell products without inventory. With Shopify dropshipping apps, you can choose a variety of products and have them shipped to your customers. Click here to launch your online business with Shopify. Try print on demand. Print on demand (POD) is another popular way to earn money online. Many individuals have adopted the business model because it has lower overhead than other business. उम्मीद आप सबको मेरी वीडियो बहुत पसंद आई होगी. थैंक यू वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.